Football and the impact on society. In this video, I'm going to talk about a topic that affects many people. Importance we give to football. A lot of people spend a lot of time watching football. Many times they don't just watch one game. Sometimes they watch up to 4 games a day or more, spending for the 90 minutes per game. They spend the time in the bar, at home, or somewhere else instead of doing other more productive things. I include myself in these people who try to follow their team's matches, but I don't see anything logical about the great following that this produces. Society places great value on what happens in these sports, and that is not always fair. First of all, this is a complex issue because it affects many people. Although not everyone follow in the same way. Some people only watch the game from the time to time, only in their free time, and others need to watch always the football games. As many experts say, the football is fine. The problem is that it has given a much or more importance that issues that really affect us all, such as politics, the economy, the employment. It is given so much attention that nowadays practically everyone, even those who are not interested in football at all, now the names of the best teams and players, something that does not usually happen in other sports. Next, there is a lot of evidence of the mass following of football by society, one of the biggest in the statistically in the most important matches as the championship finals. More than 60% of the television viewers watch it, a figure much longer than any other television program. It's true that we have always been told the sport is good and healthy, and the more we practice it, the better, but everything has a limit. And I think that this society lives more aware of the what happens of this pitch than of what happens around it. Many psychologists attribute the immense following of the soccer's its ability to cheer people up when their teams wins. Many of us who the following the matches can feel the feeling of euphoria when our the team scores or win the match, although it can also produce sadness and disappointment when it loses. And sometimes people wonder what would society be without football? That cannot be known, but what is clear is that it will produce a great change in the mentality of the people. Summary: football, like all sports, is very good to practice and watch on TV, but there is a limit, and our society goes beyond this limit, giving a more importance to football than it should. This topic is just one example of many in which society should improve. But for that to happen, there would have to be a big change, which currently does not seem to be happening.